Are you looking to build your own custom creations, but you're not too sure what kind of pieces you should be getting? Well, I've got you covered. Today, let's look over 5 amazing Hero Factory sets that you should try and hunt down. Not for the set, for the pieces. This is a list of sets that is well worth buying, all so that you can grow your collection and get the pieces you need to build mocks. Pieces that are super versatile and very helpful. Let's check it out. We begin with a set that often gets swept under the rug and kind of forgotten about. It's Brain Attack Stormer. I mean, right off the bat, you get these marvelous elements. They're just the best. They're such an easy and effective way to add fur textures to any creature or character build. Are you looking to make a character with a fur pelt cloak? Well, these pieces are perfect. Are you looking to make a furry tail? Or maybe some cool looking flowing hair? This piece is what you need. And most other pieces in this set are pretty solid. CCBS bones and armor shells, you can never have too many of those. And that 6 shield piece as well? Brilliant. Here's a mock by Vanimox that uses a lot of these pieces. And look at how dynamic and posable this is. Even just basic CCBS pieces like this, they're helpful and they're useful. But there's one piece in this Brain Attack set that I think is just sensational. It's the visor. Stormer's one comes printed, but in a bunch of other ones, you can get them unprinted, you can get them in different colors. There's a lot of different variants. Vanimox has used this for quite a cool head design. There's no mask behind it, the visor is just the face. But you put a couple stickers on there and dude, you got the coolest looking helmet ever. How good does this look in pretty much any other color as well? You can use this piece to emphasize a mask, you can use this as a face. There's a lot of exciting possibilities. And right now on Bricklink, if you want to pick up this set, well, it's only like 10 to 15 US dollars. That's actually pretty affordable. So get this set, build it, love it, enjoy it, and then savage it for pieces and use it in your own creations. Oh, and I didn't even talk about these rubber spikes. Jatha's Wolf used them for ears. They look pretty good. There's also swords, trans blue shells, there's so much to love. What a good set. Moving on over to Meltdown. So hey, I hear you. Not everyone is a fan of CCBS pieces. If you want to stick to more classic Bionicle parts, well, you can still get that with Hero Factory. Look towards some of the original waves of sets, because that was pre-CCBS, and the pieces were still very, Bionicle coded. Yeah, they featured many classic Bionicle pieces that just came in new colors. These types of pieces are going to fit right in with your old classic Bionicle parts. All that stuff that you still have in your collection. But let's focus on some of the more Hero Factory specific pieces that come in this set. Meltdown has these funky toxic waste canisters, which, look good in their original context. But don't they make for some excellent looking legs and arms? Partnering them with other trans green pieces gives you something really special. Dude, this rocks. A lot of the early 1.0 villains, they also featured some nice armor pieces. These pieces. Max Howell shows us just how good they look for armor on the torso. I've also seen people use these for thigh armor, lower leg armor, arm armor, shoulder pads, heads, all kinds of stuff. It's a pretty sweet piece that's quite easy to use. But we haven't even got to the best part of this set. Meltdown's mask. If you want to see how useful and versatile this is, well, strap yourselves in. This looks amazing if you want to use it as a face, like you see on the set. That mono eye, oh, it's cool. But you could also use it as a face by flipping it around and adding pieces down the bottom. That's not bad. It also makes for an excellent beard. How clever is that? And hey, take some notes from Brickens and embed this into the torso. 3 very different ways that you can use it, and all of them look so good. On Bricklink, if you want to pick this set up, well, on the lower end, it's going to cost you about 15 US dollars. 15 bucks? Not too bad. Of course, I'm showing you the very cheap, used prices. The condition might vary, and it might be missing a few pieces. You just got to read the description. If you want this sealed in box, you're obviously going to pay a lot more. But prices are always going to vary. You just got to shop smart. Maybe you could buy this at a used Lego store and they could have it quite cheap. But some used Lego stores also like to charge a bit of a premium for their Hero Factory, which sucks. Just keep your eye out for deals and bargains. You'll find something cheap. And hey, if you spot a bulk lot online and you see some of the pieces that I'm talking about in this video, well, then you'll know you're picking up a good bulk lot, and you'll be getting pieces that'll be easy to use. Our third best set to buy for pieces, it's Ogrum. So this set gives us CCBS pieces in beautiful colors like dark green. This is one of very few sets to give us CCBS parts in a color like that. And how good is dark green as a color? Check out how Mitch Builds has used them here, getting a bunch of the tiny ones and stringing them together to form a neck and a tail. How impressive is that? But trans green armor shells, well, they're pretty good too. They give off a wonderful jungle or grass themed appearance. If you've got a creation and you want to emulate that same appearance, that same vibe, you might need some of these parts. And then brown CCBS armor shells. Again, that's a color that CCBS is very rarely in. And take a look at this creation by Husk World. It shows us just how nice these pieces in brown look when you combine them with original Bionicle brown pieces. You can pull off some exceptional stuff. Beautiful pecs, nice hand designs. I'm telling you, man, these pieces in these colors, they look so good. Yeah, Ogrum gave us so many exotic recolors and just exceptional earthy tones. He's a great set to get for pieces. And on Bricklink, he's actually very cheap. Used copies of this set can be like $8. That's alright actually, hey. Again, prices will vary, but you can get it cheaper. Number 4, it's Scorpio. I mean, this set has double the pieces of most of the sets we've spoken about. It's got about 105, I think it was. Still, it's in the hundreds. The other sets are only double digits. But again, all of these pieces are great. When you remove the armor on Scorpio and you just see the frame underneath, you'll see that, dude, you are graced with so many CCBS bones. You could easily repurpose these and make your own characters and creatures. For example, the classic and iconic Bignickel frame. This was originally made by Soju Kakari, but it's been photographed and remade here by King Knack. And he has instructions to build it on Instagram. Check the links below if you want to build it yourself. But yeah, looking at this frame up close, you can see all the CCBS bones that you need, some of which come in this set. Repurpose these pieces, make your own custom frames, or make this exact frame. Then you can armor it up, then you can customize it and make cool, sick looking stuff. This set also features a couple exclusive lime recolors of certain pieces. And these pieces are great. Hey, check out this mock by Dylan Meaves that uses a few of them. In fact, this mock is actually an alternate build for Scorpio. It's only using pieces from that set. It's proof that these lime pieces are excellent, and that CCBS bones can be used to make whatever the heck you want. Scorpio is so good. So if you want to pick this one up, it might be a little bit more expensive, and that's just because it's a bigger set. But on Bricklink right now, you can pick this up for about $15, $30, or $40. That's not too bad. Again, that's for a used copy. Sealed in box, might be a bit of a different story. But if you look hard enough, you can find it for a good price. The last set we're going to discuss today is a set that I've long thought was the best set from Hero Factory to buy for its pieces. This is the brilliant, the amazing, the marvelous Witch Doctor. This set does an amazing job of blending Technic and CCBS pieces. The end result is stunning. It's flexible, it's posable, it's sturdy, and it looks so good. So yeah, you know, getting these Technic pieces, getting those CCBS parts, it's a dream. But we've already kind of touched upon the reasons why that's good in other sets. So let's instead focus on a few of the specialized pieces that come in this set. Like Witch Doctor's mask. It's extraordinary. And if you're looking to make a spooky, scary skeleton creation, well, you kind of need this mask. How good does it look? You also get a good supply of these nice curved spikes. Whenever I see this piece, I think of a mock by Mike Neves. It's his Arcanine. He's using these pieces here to replicate the look of fur flowing in the wind. Isn't that beautiful? You might be able to use the piece in a similar way. But you do also get a lot of these nice white armor shells. Why not do like this mock and use it to shape excellent, smooth surfaces? Build yourself a sweet looking creature build. CCBS is very helpful to do exactly that. You also get 4 of these quasi spikes. Such a gorgeous element. If you're looking to create some sort of corrupted look, well, this piece actually fits that vibe so well. Alright, there's some good pieces, but we haven't even got to the best part. The most exciting thing to come out of this set is the fact that you get 39, that's right, 39 ball joints. When you make a mock, these pieces are so helpful. Especially because it's so easy to just churn through these. Take this creation by Mitch Henry. Pretty much every section of this thing uses ball joints. If you want to make a posable creation, you need a lot. And Witch Doctor gives you so many. It really is a dream come true. And to achieve that dream, you might need to pay, well, a little bit extra. Witch Doctor isn't cheap. But right now, on Bricklink, this set sells for about $60 to $80. Again, it can sell for more, that's just on the lower end. Not as cheap, still a little bit pricey, but I think it's well worth it. If you're able to track this down for a good price, you're in for a real treat. So that's it, that's 5 sets that you should consider buying for their pieces. Enjoy building with those parts, make some cool stuff, I'd love to see it. But of course, Hero Factory comes with many other great parts packs. Pretty much any set you can pick up, the pieces are going to be pretty good. Well, hopefully this has given you a little bit of insight and given you some ideas for how you can use these pieces. Thank you for watching, guys, happy building, and bye for now. It is a shame that those ball joints are red. It would have been better in black, but still, there's so many ways you can use red ones.